this is gonna be the moving vlog of the century, called How Many Times Have I Almost Moved in the Past Month and Then Not? Rolling a clip of all of the apartments I've seen in the past month. That you need to know. So let me tell you what I'm at now. We have an application in on an apartment. We have been approved for that apartment. Today we went and saw the landlord of that apartment to meet face to face because it was a smaller building, so they are more concerned of like who they're renting to, if we're gonna be good tenants, which went well. Very nice guy. And that means that I'm moving next week, which is huge. So then we can move on finally to the packing part of this vlog. The apartment itself is beautiful. We had some compromises between the two of us to try to figure out what would work for both of us. So what I needed to give for my application this time around, to be transparent, I have now applied to 3 apartments. Got approved for all of them, so that's great and huge news, because back in the day, there's no way in hell I would have gotten approved by myself. This used to be even more stressful, of course, for myself and anyone out there. Of just even getting approved is kind of a nightmare sometimes. So what they asked for anyone wondering, the credit checks, they used to be like $75 to just even apply. So now it's $20, which is awesome. A $500 good faith deposit. So that's refundable if for some reason they don't approve you, or for some reason you can't agree on the lease agreements, then they will refund it. But if you pull out just because you decide you don't want it, then you do not get that money back. It seems like that's what everyone asked us for when we were applying. You know, it's a new chapter, and I think that it'll be good. So waiting to hear back on all of that. I'll let you know. All right, update. Just got back from the city, got cashier checks, because when you pay rent, you usually need to pay with a bank check, so they know that the money's not gonna bounce when you sign the lease. But ran to the bank in the city. Speaking of, I need to switch bank. Yes, I'm about to leave. Kind of sweaty. Gonna go sign the lease. Bittersweet, but also so ready to be done with this process. Holy cow. This week is actually about to be crazy. In the next 3 days, I am packing up my whole apartment. I have a video due. I have like 4 different events I have committed myself to going to for Fashion Week. Finishing up an edit on a video right now, then later I'm meeting up with Elena to film a different video, and then we'll be going to an event together tonight, which will be fun. And then basically tomorrow is my day to pack. I just worked on getting my internet switched over on Friday, which will be good. That's the day I'm gonna move. So I'm feeling overwhelmed. Also, the sponsor of this video is hitting right at the right time because I have no food in my house. Thanks, Green Chef, for feeding me this week. Well, I definitely don't have time to be buying groceries, etc. Okay, I'll give you a sneak preview. Ooh, bulgogi noodle soup. This looks good, okay. Moroccan carrots and rice, lit. I love looking at these. Okay, maybe this is what I'll make. Sweet potato enchiladas.
I have the tall presents.
Me?
Yeah.
I do.
Because in my head, we're like the same height.
It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Cause baby, I feel real good and I wish.
Welcome! I want to do more home stuff, but I just haven't, so. My humble abode. I feel very long-lived at the moment.
You are, you very model. Girl.
The whole band's here and we came to move. Got a fresh haircut and 2 new shoes. We're here all night like we got nothing to lose. I'm coming out the jacket cause we're turning up the heat. I wanna see you clapping when you get up out your seat. It's time to make it happen when we hit these streets. I'm coming in hot and I can't be.
Okay, my kitchen's a mess. I have an event to go to in about 2 hours. I just had to allow the realtor broker into my house to show it to other people, which was kind of a hard thing. But I'm gonna make a good dinner, which is in collab with Green Chef. I've worked with them many times in the past. They are a USDA certified organic meal delivery service. Very good meals. I, of course, always get their vegan, vegetarian, plant-powered kits. They have a bunch of different selections for diet. So there's like balanced, family, keto, all of the above. Obviously, I'm gonna give you a hard push towards plant-based, but I think they are a very good option. This is my shtick. One, they have been definitely making strides even with the time that I've started working with them to now to use better packaging, lower their packaging, and are continuing to do that, which I really like to see because of course with like a delivery service, things are kind of more pre-packaged, which also kind of helps cut down on food waste, especially if you like buy a bunch of ingredients and you don't know how to use them afterwards. All of those things can be considered, but I really think they are a very good option if you are looking into shifting your diet. So if you're looking into like incorporating a few more vegan meals into your week, or vegetarian, but maybe you're not like the best cook or you don't know where to get started, I think they make it very easy and also just very delicious, so you don't have that like putting a bunch of effort into a meal and then you try it and you don't like it, where I've never had a bad meal from them. Like they're always like restaurant quality. The sauces are really good. They use a variety of different organic ingredients, focus on sourcing food more sustainably. If you want to check them out, you can get $80 off right now, which is the highest discount they've offered so far. So you can click the link in the description to get $80 off your first few orders total with the code where I live 80, and I'm gonna make a little din.
Pretty ladies don't count. Y'all know who to get out, who to get out. When I'm in the mood for a babe, when I'm in the mood.
Okay, yesterday I went and got boxes from my mail place, which was close to me. I'm about to go get my keys from my broker, and then I'm gonna bring just a few things over beforehand before the movers come tomorrow. So today I realized just how much furniture I have collected, and you know, I really have my life set up here now. My other moves, I just didn't have as much stuff, especially as much furniture. So this time around I realized that it's a really weird day to be moving, so therefore all of my friends are working, and so only it would just be one of my friends, Drew, bless his heart, and I moving all of my stuff, and that just seemed like such a mess. So I decided to look into hiring movers for a few hours, and they just show up with the truck and help you move everything, and I'm gonna bring all my boxes downstairs before they get there, so it's like a quicker process, so I won't have to pay them for like as much time, because I can definitely do that stuff. I just can't lift my heavy bed frame and mirrors and stuff. So that's my plan of action now. Got my